I'm thirsty. Okay, let's go.
This is the right time to eat some meat.
Who would have eaten it? What?
Okay.
Ask Monkey. Hey, Monkey! Did you see anyone eating our food? Tell me. I don't know.
Wow, I found food.
What? How could you even think about eating my child's food?
I was just casually coming by.
I will go and tell the lion about you. Why did you come again, Monkey? I know who ate your food. It was the naughty wolf. Let's go. What?
Help me, 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 help me.
Please forgive me. I made a mistake. Just wait here, and I will go and bring the food.
It's okay.
This is for you.
Let the fight
begin!
Look at that, Slinky and Flick, the baby pythons. They are feeling very hungry. They look from the bird to the farms.
Flick, when did we last eat? It's been too long. I'm really hungry. We need to find some food.
Blinky and Flick watch Curly and Whirly, the calves, jump around their mom, Daisy, who watches with love.
Look, they're always full and happy. Wish we could have some milk, too.
They move quietly towards the barn. They sneak past animals, getting closer to the milk. The cow babies see the python babies.
Hey, they're after our milk. We should stop them.
Oh, that's a silly fight over the milk.
Let the fight begin!
Mom, some crazy snakes are trying to drink your milk. Hey, snake kids, take me to your mother. What happened, folks? What are you doing here? Our little one seems to have a misunderstanding. What did you do again, kiddos? Mom, we just had some milk from the mother cow. No, it's wrong to take things without asking. It's a shame. Don't do that again. I'm sorry, Daisy, they were just hungry. Oh, please, don't scold them. We can all share the milk.
Wow, Daisy offers to share the milk.
Thanks, Daisy. You are so kind.
Hey, where is Momo?
No, Mama. I haven't seen him all day.
Let's go find him. Spot is also missing. Help me! My cars are in danger.
Don't worry. I'll help you get them back. Let's teach him a lesson.
That's a pleasant day, and the sheep are leisurely grazing in the farm. And the vigilant gorilla guards them by patrolling the gates. Oh, that's a massive snake. It's prowling around in search of prey. Yeah, it's watching the gorilla. The python attempts to enter the gates and carefully observe the surroundings. Now, undeterred, the python makes another attempt to attack the sheep.
Hey! What?
Bye, have a great time. Now, undeterred, the python makes another attempt to attack the sheep. The vigilant gorilla is furious of what's happening now. The python now takes a different route this time and slithers inside the farm. Oh, it grabs one sheep.
No way!
The gorilla sees this and is furious. He's furious. He's chasing the python. He's chasing the python. to escape across the river with the stolen sheep, leaving the gorilla disheartened. In the shocking turn of events, the python returns to the farm and oh, it snatches another sheep.
Wow, that's an incredible farm. And the cows are happily grazing. The king of the jungle enters. And he sets his eyes on the cows. He finds a prey to hunt. He approaches slowly to the cows. And oh, he attacks the cow. And he attacks the calf as well. The rest of the cows watch this and are scared. And they flee from the place. They're running and running. They stop at the open place and are grazing. Oh no! That's a leopard! And the cows are under attack again. The leopard attacks the cows. The rest of the cows are frightened. And the leopard is following them again. Oh, that's a surprise. That's an anaconda. Hey guys, what happened? You look so frightened. Our family members have been attacked by the lion and the leopard. Don't worry, I'll come with you. The leopard comes to fight. Oh, the leopard is attacked by the anaconda and is killed. Now they are heading towards the lion. The lion is so furious. And they fight. And oh, the lion is attacked and killed by the anaconda. The cows finally take the revenge. Hey guys, I've got some food for you. Have fun. Eat all you can. I smell food. Where's the food? Oh, it's down there. Wow! Okay, guys, gotta go. Catch up later. Hey, what happened? Why are you all sad? Oh look, Mr. Tiger came and ate all our food. Then we had to teach him a lesson. Wait, I'll be back. This is a red chili powder. It's time for Mr. Tiger to shed tears. That's what happens when you mess with us.